How to use Shein points and reward system. Now, the Shein points and reward system continues to offer user a way to reduce their orders total by participating in simple activity and making purchase. So what you want to do is open a Shein app. You could earn Shein points as well. Now you can earn 1 point for each or every $1 spent on eligible product. Now points are afterward rewarded, or after you log in, you could click on confirm delivery for your address or for your order, and you could receive up to 100 points for creating an account and verifying your email address as well, and earning points for sharing feedback on items you purchased, and 5 points for text only review, and plus 10 points for including a photo, and plus 2 points for adding size information as well. And you could earn points by checking into the app daily as well, or live streaming an app game as well. If you want to use a point at Shein, you could apply it at the checkout procedure. What you want to do is simply go ahead and select the item that you wish to purchase. Then add the item to your cart and go to the cart section from the top right and proceed to checkout. When you do this, you will have to enter your mobile number for of the points you wish to use, right? And you could use the point to deduct up to 50% of your total product price as well. And that's how you're going to actually use Shein points and reward system. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.